Wake up and smell the dried flowers, Mallory. It's another edition of Vince's at Home.
You know what's better than fresh flowers? Flowers that don't need their water changed.
I do love fresh flowers at home, but I have noticed that a lot of these dried flowers have started popping up around our house.
Well, that's because one of the hottest trends in the market right now are dried florals. And we're lucky because today we have the owner and curator of Willow and Wicker, Jen, who's going to teach us all about her beautiful dried florals that are now available at Vince's Market.
Well, I feel like I'm completely out of my element here. So I think a better person to have today on the show would be our own Jessica Schneider. Jessica is our gifting manager, so she gets to select all the different products in our gifting section that you are able to shop with at Vince's Market. Jess, come on over.
Hi, Mel.
Hi, Jess.
Hi, everyone. So happy to be here and introduce everyone to Jen, bringing in a new line of home decor and dried floral items to our stores.
Welcome, Jen. Thanks for coming on. Why don't you start off by telling our customers a little bit about your company and how you got to own this amazing local business?
I started Willow and Wicker from a passion for 70s boho vibes and vintage. So it is a collective about a little bit of everything, but mainly my dried florals. They're beautifully curated. My business is all about sustainability, being eco-friendly. That's what I strive for in the business, to provide beautiful items, but also stuff that is sustainable for our planet.
I'm so excited that we can have you here to show our customers and give our customers a little bit more information on how to care for dried floral, how to shop them, and what to pick, and sizing of vases.
We're gonna go over everything that you just mentioned. We'll dive in with our eucalyptus first. Firstly, in an arrangement, it smells so beautiful, guys.
And I can smell it.
It
Smells so good.
But the other thing you can also do with it, you can actually bundle this together. And then once you have enough that you feel it's secure, create like a hanger with it. You can actually put this over your shower head.
Yes.
And have it in the shower and have that steam come through, and you'll smell the eucalyptus, so it's really calming. So there is a double purpose to our eucalyptus. They're pretty simple. There's not much maintenance with these.
Yeah,
I love
Great.
that.
Me too.
Yeah. The beauty of all the dried florals are you can actually cut them to size. If you want it to fit better in your vase, you can actually cut up your eucalyptus.
Oh, wow.
I believe in like threes, so I do a lot of stuff in threes. That's how easy and simple that you can just take a simple white bud vase and you can put this on an island, in your bathroom, or in your bedroom on the side table.
Low maintenance.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
It's one and done. Next, we have our 45-inch pampas grass in an off-white color.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
I've been saying it Pampas.
So when you get your pampas grass from here, it will be a little bit flat, as you can see from the packaging. What we recommend you do is grab a care card. You are to actually blow dry the pampas to become full and fluffy. And then once that's done, hairspray it. It's going to be a little messy. So it is recommended that you do this either in a bathroom that's easy to clean or outside. Hairspray, it can be scented or unscented. It's just preference on how you're feeling or if you can handle scent. Do a quick spray like this. You can also use this pampas. If you're doing a birthday party and you have a balloon arch, you can stick the pampas
Beautiful.
inside,
Love that.
decorate it. We have everything that Vince's carries, all here in front of us. They are all available in the local section. We're going to show you how to make an arrangement with the dried florals in different types of vases. Those are called white Italian ruscus. These are the natural bunny tails. This is a palm, and this is the sun palm. So it'll all come down to preference as to what your style is in your home. The pampas grows in layers. So there are actual areas
Oh, wow.
that don't have pampas that grow. So
wouldn't
that's
know?
where you can cut. I try to do layering and also for dimensional reasons. Same with the ruscus. You'll have to cut this to size 2. Sometimes, depending on if it's a thicker stem, you may have to use the cutters. If you wanted to add a pop of green because that's just your style, just play with it until you're content with the way it looks. So now that we have this one arrangement done, if you're not a fan of the palm sphere, you can always change it out for the bleached sun palm. You've now just changed the arrangement completely. And then for something small like this, I'm more of a fan of something simplistic. Just taking a whole bunch of bunny tails, having them just stick out ever so slightly. So because these are dried and preserved, there's absolutely no watering necessary. Also keep them out of a window. That is key because just like anything, the sun will bleach.
Right.
These in a bathroom that's highly humid, not entirely recommended
Okay.
because it won't last as long. They're so simple. And then the beauty is that if you're ever gifting them, they don't die like fresh
Yes.
flowers.
Yeah.
If you wanted to gift a beautiful bouquet that's already pre-done, this is Vince's exclusive bouquet. They come wrapped.
Beautifully wrapped. It's already done for
Yeah,
you.
you don't have to
have to
think.
do anything.
Thank you so much for coming on. This has
Thank
been
you for
so
having me.
informative.
So.
And I've learned so much, and I can't wait to go shopping after work today.
I know, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thank you.
Oh wait, weren't we supposed to say bye? That's what he wants to say. It's on the script.
No,
Bye.
Bye.
we don't say that.